Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a 3D printer showdown, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo versus the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about price. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is priced at $279, a bit on the higher side, but reviewers feel it's worth it for what you get. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE comes in at $219, making it a more budget-friendly option according to reviewers. If you're looking to save some money, the Ender 3v3 SE could be the way to go. When it comes to speed, both printers are impressive. The Kobra 2 Neo and the Ender 3v3 SE both boast a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second. Reviewers have noted that while the Kobra 2 Neo is fast and efficient, the Ender 3v3 SE also keeps up with its 2,500 mm per square second acceleration. It's a tie in this category. Both are speed demons. Next, let's look at the extruder and cooling systems. The Kobra 2 Neo features a new integrated extruder and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, which reviewers appreciate for its efficiency and quiet operation. The Ender 3v3 SE, on the other hand, comes with the Sprite direct drive extruder, which offers smooth feeding and less noise. Reviewers love its ability to handle flexible TPU, making it versatile. Both systems have their strengths, but the Ender 3v3 SE edges out slightly for its versatility. Auto-leveling is crucial for great prints. The Kobra 2 Neo uses the Levi Q 2.0 system, which intelligently compensates for Z-axis offset. Reviewers find it reliable and easy to use. The Ender 3v3 SE uses the CR touch sensor and strain sensor for auto Z offset, which also gets high marks from users for its precision. Both systems are highly praised, making this another close call. Ease of use is a big deal, especially for beginners. Reviewers highlight that the Kobra 2 Neo is straightforward to set up and use, even for novices. The Ender 3v3 SE, however, stands out with its quick three-step assembly and additional features like automatic filament loading and unloading. It's user-friendly and quick to get started with, making it a favorite among beginners. Customer support can make or break your experience. The Kobra 2 Neo offers a 1-year after-service with lifetime technical support, which reviewers appreciate for its reliability. The Ender 3v3 SE provides a 12-month service for the printer and 3 months for parts like the nozzle and timing belt. Reviewers have had mixed experiences with Creality's customer service, so keep that in mind. Overall, both printers have received positive reviews. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its ease of use, fast printing speeds, and efficient cooling. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is noted for its budget-friendly price, user-friendly features, and versatility. However, some users have faced issues with setup and customer support with the Ender 3v3 SE. So there you have it. Both the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE have their own strengths and weaknesses. We'd love to hear from you. Which one do you prefer and why? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description. Happy printing!